retreated to our room, silent and troubled, pondering our predicament. No answers came, only fear and uncertainty. At midnight, around 12 a.m., while everyone was deep asleep, a strange sound suddenly woke us up. Someone jumped into the house, accompanied by numerous sound instruments, shouting, "Yay!" We all screamed and shouted in response, echoing and vibrating throughout the house. I bet you, when you are that asleep, a noise is always a response to a noise. The sound was so loud that such a sound would wake the soundest and deepest sleepers. Elders attempted to identify the noise,